Welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the positive approach therapies, mindfulness. So, what exactly is mindfulness? Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment, paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. It's about fully experiencing each moment as it comes, without getting caught up in the past or worrying about the future. The goal of mindfulness is simple: to gain a greater sense of awareness and control over our thoughts. By learning to observe our thoughts, rather than reacting automatically, we can respond to situations with a clearer mind and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Let's explore the three main components of mindfulness. First, let's talk about gaining control of our thoughts. Most of us have minds that are constantly racing from one thought to another, often without us even noticing. Mindfulness teaches us to step back and observe our thoughts from a distance, almost like watching clouds pass by. One of the core reasons mindfulness focuses on the present is because our minds often pull us into the past or the future, which can be detrimental to our mental health. Thinking about the past too much can lead to regret, guilt, or dwelling on past mistakes, while focusing too much on the future often leads to stress and anxiety. When we center ourselves in the present, we free ourselves from these cycles. We're no longer controlled by what-ifs and if-onlys, and instead learn to accept and appreciate where we are right now. The second component of mindfulness is meditation, often practiced through mindful breathing. Meditation is a dedicated time for us to be fully present and to focus on the sensations of breathing. It may sound simple, but the process is powerful. To begin, you can sit in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Gently bring your attention to your breath, the feeling of air coming in through your nose, filling your lungs, and then slowly leaving your body. At first, you may notice that your mind wanders, and that's completely normal. When this happens, gently acknowledge where your thoughts went, and calmly bring your attention back to your breathing. This cycle of noticing when your mind wanders, and then guiding it back to the breath, is at the heart of meditation. With practice, meditation helps calm the mind, reduces stress, and allows us to connect more deeply with ourselves. Finally, mindfulness isn't just something we do in meditation. We can incorporate informal practices of mindfulness into our everyday lives. This means being fully present in even the simplest activities, like eating, walking, or listening to someone speak. When we bring mindfulness into daily activities, we're training our minds to be present and attentive. This enhances our sense of fulfillment and helps us find peace, even in routine tasks. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about two popular mindfulness-based programs. Mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, or MBCT, and mindfulness-based stress reduction, or MBSR. Mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, or MBCT, was developed specifically to help people with depression. It combines mindfulness practices with principles of cognitive therapy. MBCT is based on the idea that people who have experienced depression may get caught in a cycle of negative thinking that can lead to relapse. Through MBCT, individuals learn to recognize negative thought patterns early and use mindfulness techniques to distance themselves from those thoughts. Instead of reacting automatically to feelings of sadness or stress, they observe the thoughts without judgment. This process of decentering from thoughts is essential in MBCT and helps people manage difficult emotions without being overwhelmed. Research has shown that MBCT can significantly reduce the risk of relapse for those who have struggled with depression, making it a valuable therapeutic tool. Mindfulness-based stress reduction, or MBSR, was created by Dr. John Kabat-Zinn and focuses on using mindfulness to reduce stress. It's an 8-week program that includes guided mindfulness practices, body awareness exercises, and mindful movement. MBSR helps individuals manage physical and emotional stress by teaching them to respond to challenges more mindfully. Through the program, participants learn that they have more control over how they respond to stressors and that they can face difficult situations with greater calmness and resilience. To sum up, mindfulness aims to prevent or reduce mental health issues through gaining control of thoughts and staying in the present. By practicing meditation and incorporating mindfulness practices into your day-to-day life, you can calm your mind and respond more positively to stressors in your life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more psychology content.